Eight passengers narrowly escaped death in Lagos on Monday when a train rammed into a commercial bus in Oshodi area of the state. The Lagos State Traffic Management Authority, LASTMA, which announced the accident via their Twitter page. Eyewitnesses revealed that a bus suddenly veered into the train tracks while crossing the rail at PW Inward Oshodi, Lagos. The onrushing train rammed into the bus and dragged it some distance with the passengers on board. Director General of LASEMA, Dr. Femi Oke Osonyitolu, said the incident, which happened around 8 a.m., had been brought under control and that no fatalities were recorded.